You need to watch this if you struggle with meal planning. Here are 10 easy budget-friendly meals to whip up on a Sunday and enjoy all week long. Hello savvy meal preppers! Are you ready to transform your Sundays into a powerhouse of deliciousness for the entire week? Here we go. First up, we've got the ever-versatile egg muffins. Mix eggs, spinach, and a bit of cheese. Pour into muffin tins and bake. Voila, breakfast is sorted. Next, who doesn't love a good old pasta bake? Cook your pasta, toss it with tomato sauce, veggies, and ground turkey. Sprinkle some cheese on top and bake. You've got lunches ready for days. And for a touch of the exotic, how about a chickpea curry? Just sauté onions, tomatoes, spices, and chickpeas. Serve it with rice or freeze it for later. It's a hug in a bowl. Don't forget about the humble baked potato. Bake a bunch and top them with literally anything from leftovers to fresh veggies during the week. Dinner, done and dusted. And for a snack, hummus and cut veggies. Blend chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon. Healthy snacking at your fingertips. Remember, the key is simplicity and a dash of creativity. Use what you have, make it in bulk, and never face a mealtime meltdown again. So tie on that apron, fire up your Sunday, and set yourself up for a week of tasty, stress-free eating. Bon appetit, or as we like to say, let's eat smart.